There's an almost mythical thrill in watching a legend transform, and with the arrival of the 2026 Porsche 911, the company has once again raised the bar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel World Cars DK. For over half a century, the 911 has been synonymous with peerless driving dynamics, sculptural elegance, and unwavering character, and Porsche's latest iteration proves that innovation and tradition can coexist in perfect harmony. This year's update doesn't simply refine what we already adore. It introduces a groundbreaking hybrid powertrain that amplifies performance while retaining every ounce of the 911 soul. At first glance, the 992.2 reads like a masterclass in subtle evolution. The iconic silhouette, its tight front and rear overhangs, sinuous waists, and those familiar haunches, remains instantly recognizable. Yet closer inspection reveals purposeful tweaks. Redesigned bumpers sculpt airflow more efficiently, slimmer LED headlights lend a menacing glare, and reprofiled side mirrors reduce drag while banishing wind noise. Even the front fascia receives vertical louvers that channel cooling air to both engine and brakes. It's the same silhouette we've worshipped for decades, only now honed with an almost surgical precision. The real star of the show is the new GTS-T Hybrid, the halo model that heralds Porsche's high-performance electrification strategy. Beneath its long hood sits an evolved 3.6-liter flat-six twin-turbo engine mated to an electrically assisted single-turbo and an integrated motor generator. Rather than chasing fuel economy headlines, Porsche engineers have weaponized hybrid technology to sharpen throttle response, fill in low RPM torque, and boost peak output. Combined system power rockets the GTS to 60 miles per hour in an astonishingly brief 2.9 seconds, figures that independent tests suggest could nudge closer to 2.5 seconds in real-world settings. The electric motor's 54 additional horsepower and 110 pounds-feet of instant torque ensure spool-up is seamless, eradicating turbo lag and delivering an addictive surge the moment you bury your right foot. Even beyond the hybrid flagship, Porsche has subtly elevated the Carrera lineup. The base Carrera retains its beloved 3.0-liter twin-turbo flat-six, but now borrows a more aggressive turbocharger and intercooler combo from last year's GTS. The result is a boost from 379 to 388 horsepower, shaving a tenth off its 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint and instilling an extra dose of mid-range punch. Though the Carrera S details are under wraps, history suggests it will slot neatly between the standard Carrera and the GTS-T Hybrid, promising sharper chassis tuning and a handful of horsepower to please the purists. Step inside any 992.2 model and you'll find a cabin that artfully balances analog purity with digital sophistication. Gone are excess buttons. Instead, a 12.6-inch digital cluster and 10.9-inch infotainment touchscreen meld beneath a sweeping dash. Their glass surface is unified into a single, continuous plane. Drivers can choose from multiple gauge layouts and rotate the virtual tachometer until it's dead center in their vision. Below the screens, a row of haptic feedback switches controls climate and drive modes without cluttering the console. The PCM system benefits from improved voice commands and a clever QR code driver profile login, while a cooled wireless charging bin keeps smartphones ready for navigation or music streaming. Porsche hasn't forgotten that a 911 may serve more than one occupant or cargo. Buyers can still specify the traditional two-seat coupe for the most visceral connection to the road, or opt for the no-cost 2+2 configuration to accommodate occasional backseat passengers or extra luggage. The rear cargo compartment remains famously tight, perfect for weekend duffels or a couple of golf bags, reminding you that this is ultimately a driver's car, not a family hauler. Despite the new hybrid powertrain, Porsche assures owners that pure combustion 911s aren't going extinct. In fact, an all-new ICE-only G84 iteration is slated for around 2028, ensuring that the unmistakable sound and mechanical feedback of a naturally aspirated flat-six will remain available for traditionalists who prefer fuel and air alone. For those ready to embrace an electrified future,